Here we are with my Suzuki controller. The new engine I've bought is a Honda and we're having a problem. I've got the cables for it and everything, but with this it's what's called a pull to open starter. So when you give it throttle, see the way it's moving? This arm, this is the throttle. When it's in neutral, it's way back here. So when I try to give it throttle, it's trying to push. It's trying to push the cable, and at the other end, it needs to pull. So this arm needs to be flipped so that it goes to this hole. It's a lot of hassle. You can buy this linkage. If I can get it off. You can buy this linkage with this reversed. It just slots on. But it's a lot of money if you can find one with the right, for the right model and blah blah blah. So what I decided to do was just get a new throttle controller. That just pops on there. Well, put it away for a rainy day in case I ever get a different engine that needs a push to start one. Let's get it in first. Well, I managed to get it to line up. You just have to do a bit of jiggery pokery to get it to go in. Spoke to a guy at a shop. He says it can be done, but it's not simple. Looked online, the part is about 70 odd quid, and I'm not sure if that's the right one because this one's got no markings on really to tell you what kind it is, apart from that there. And I looked that up, couldn't find one. Well, I got pictures of something that might work. Might. 70 quid's a lot of money to spend for something that might work. So yeah, so I'll show you what I did. This might come in handy. You never know, somebody down the marina might have the same problem as me, and I've got one of these. So that for me doesn't work, which is a bloody shame because I would have been able to have my maiden voyage last week. Instead we now have this one. This is my new one without the electrics. My engine's just bog standard. I don't need all the electrics. I've got a cutout switch that I can fit into one of those holes at the back. What happens here is it starts there, look, and if it's in neutral, see? That's not in neutral, that is. See? I'm hoping. See? So if I push it, it pulls. It pulls from this way, it's pulling, look. So now it's a pull to open. Well, it makes sense because this is a Honda part. So now I've just got to go and attach it to the boat. I'm sure I'll take you with me. So if I make any cock-ups, you'll know. What I didn't film was the problems I had with the Suzuki one, because we was trying everything on, because I'm not a mechanic. I thought I was doing something wrong. And one of the guys says, that lever should be going the other way. And then somebody who used to have an engine like mine says, yeah, mine used to go the other way. Trial and error. But that's my new one. Should. Well, we'll see. I shall take you with me and we shall see. Well, let's make a start. Just hope that these fit into that, because it's not the same make. These little C-clips. Little C-clips. See that? Got to sneak them on. Okay, it's got to be neutral. It's good. If I can get the clip on there, that's... Oh, I just managed to push it on. That's good. This. Just going to top this down. Tighten this nut to adjust it up. I want to go right down there. If I need any more, I have to do it on the other end, the engine side. If I get the other clip on that, now that is it. This clip just pops in there. That's it. Just pop the case on. Just put this on loosely. Check the engine in. Let's see if I can get you on here. You're looking at the throttle cable. You'll see it move. It's time to put the kill switch in and document everything that works like it is. But I've got to get this off again. You have to be careful. As long as I don't move anything, I should be fine. But so I'm going to put that there with a washer. Down the one. Kill switch in. Just for future reference, that is how it goes. Take a look at the other end and look how that goes in a bit. This is it. Get that back on. But I haven't moved anything, so it should go just. You can see this part goes in there, pushes it out. See? Pushes this button out. I don't know if you can see that really well. This button is in, it's killed the engine. When you pull it out, I'll show you better with this probably. When you push that in, it pushes the button out. There. So the engine will start like that. Put this on. Then we've just got to attach it here somewhere. I'll clean the area up and then plop it on. So that's what it's going to look like on the kill switches. Oh, good job I looked because it wasn't attached, and if I tried to start the engine, wouldn't have worked. So this is what it looks like. Look, you push it on there and it forces the button out. See? Pull it, kills it. So that's roughly where it's going to be. The seat will come up here like that. Let's have a look at the other end so we can just gears, throttle, in there doing what it's supposed to. Some cables. Need to tidy this up a bit. Let's tidy that up a bit. Maybe put another cable tie. Needs to go around the other side. Right, got the screws in. That was really hard. You have to get your hand right behind this panel up there. Real nightmare. But I've got this sticker. Oh yeah. Looks the business though, doesn't it? So that's on. Next thing, maiden voyage. Not quite the maiden voyage I was on about, but this will have to do. I've brought the Tuck Tech out for its yearly outing. First one of the year, this. Well, I've had the other boat to mess with, haven't I? So that's took up a few weekends. I've been down doing the control lever today, so I thought I'll bring this out, give this a go.